The 2011 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, dual front airbags, automatic stability control, keyless entry, center armrest, security system, power door locks, power windows, center console, power driver mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.